What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Patreon account for beginners. Now, let's get started. So first off, Patreon is a membership-based platform that allows creators to earn a recurring income directly from their fans known as patrons. It's especially popular among YouTubers, artists, podcasters, and other digital creators who want to build a steady revenue stream outside of ads or sponsorships. With Patreon, creators can offer exclusive content, early access to videos, behind the scene updates, or personalized shoutouts in exchange for monthly support from their audience. The platform offers flexible membership tiers, making it easy to customize rewards and engage with your most loyal fans. It's a powerful tool for creators looking to build a community and make their content creation more sustainable. So now let's get started. On the right side, as you can see, the option of get started. Let's wait. First, if you are new to Patreon, or just simply go to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Patreon. Now, after typing, you will see this first official website of Patreon. Click on this website, and then you will be headed over to the homepage of Patreon. Now, from here, click on Get Started. And after clicking on Get Started, you can sign up with your Google, your Apple, Facebook, or you can sign up with your email. I'll just simply sign up with my Google. So after signing up, it will ask you to name your page. Just name your page, or if you are a fan, not a creator, click on this not a creator, join as a fan. And if you are a creator, just simply name your page. And if your page isn't suitable for people under the 18 age, check this checkbox and then click on continue. After that, it will let you choose your URL. Click on continue, and if you want to help your fans find you faster, you can just connect the social media platforms to Patreon. But I don't want anything, so I'll just skip it for now. And after that, as you can see, I have been logged in and welcome to my page, or you can say the home page of my Patreon. From here, I can create a new photo or post or product or anything I want. And then from here, I can copy the URL and I can send my profile to my fans. And I am viewing as a creator now, but I can also switch to a paid member so I can view another profiles as a paid member. And then here are some of the options like the library. Here your post and collection and draft are saved. Here is the audience like your followers and all. Here are everyone that follow you, your fans basically. And here are the insights like your active membership, your active members, your earnings, your posts, your surveys, the traffic on your profile, everything you can see it here. And then in the payout section, you can add your payout method like your bank account or something. Then your payment will be then transferred to that account. And after that, here is the promotions option. This is for promoting your content on an autopilot mode and uh, sharing it to as more fans as possible. And then here is the community. You can join a community or you can create your own community. Here are the notifications like the notifications from the fans or the application that you have received will appear here. And then here are the settings. From the settings, you can manage your account, manage your monetization, manage your team, or you can manage your applications. In the teams section, you can manage the members of your team, the podcast and audio. You can manage your email notifications and then your billings and payouts. You can see all the invoices and the bills from here. So that was all for this video. This is how you can create your Patreon account. Thank you everyone for watching.